Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a avatar video for your lock screen. So if you're bored of this lock screen here and you want to create a avatar video, then let me show you how to create this. So first we'll go ahead and open the notification bar, tap on settings, scroll down until you see advanced features. From here, scroll down until you see Galaxy Avatar. Now once you're here, you need to make sure you have created yourself an avatar. As you can see, I've already done that. Scroll down and then tap on Create Avatar Video. Here, you need to go ahead and choose lock screen. Tap on this. And now you can go ahead and choose all the hashtags that are available. And then down below, you can go ahead and choose what you want on your lock screen. So depending on your mood, if you're in a party mood, fun mood, in a dance mood, you can go ahead and change the avatar. You can change the music or don't have the music. You can change the background. And now once you're happy with that, tap save at the top right. This will save the video. And now this will ask you if you want to save this as your lock screen. So we want to do that. So tap done. And now when I lock the screen, you can see my avatar video has been set for my lock screen. So there you go guys, that is how to set an avatar video for your lock screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.